Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to fix the issue when I'm trying to open this .mov files. Okay, so this is a file I just downloaded. Okay, and I'm trying to open it. Example, right click and open with the media player or any other media player here, which is Flames and TV in Windows. Now trying to open it in the media player, we can't open the file. It's encoded in apch format, which is not supported. So what you need to do is, in order to open this type of files, you need to go to this Windows Store. Okay, go to Microsoft Store and type pod player or VLC. Okay, you can install this pod player, install it. Also, I'm going to install VLC. So VLC app, I'm going to install it. Installed. So it's downloading now. So both are installed, pod player and VLC also installed. Okay. So now I'm going to open it, going back to the folder. So open with, so here I should see this pod player. Okay. So I'm going to click on this pod player. So that's it, friends. Now I'm able to open the file. So the apch format is fixed. Okay, that code C apch format is fixed. I mean, it might be installed. But still, if I am trying to open it on Windows Media Player, it may not work. Yes, it is not working, but you can open via pod player and VLC player. So VLC media player also installed. I'm going to open it. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can fix an error to open this media file. So hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.